How to buy Pusscat token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 14 hours ago and increased by 600% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. And this token, as you can see, trending number 1 in this Solana section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address here. So as you can see, click on your token and now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Pusscat token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.